Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Acrobat Pro. First, to open any PDF document, simply click File, then Open, and select your desired file. Once open, familiarize yourself with the intuitive toolbar located at the top of your screen, offering quick access to essential functions like saving and printing. On the left, you will find a versatile pane displaying document thumbnails, bookmarks, and any comments, allowing for effortless navigation through even very long documents. This initial step helps you efficiently manage your files from the start. To make changes, select the Edit PDF tool from the right-hand pane. This activates all editable elements. You can directly click into any text box to begin typing, deleting, or reformatting existing content, much like a word processor. For images, simply click on an image to reveal resizing handles, allowing you to scale it up or down, or drag it to a new position on the page. You can also easily replace images with new ones from your computer in just a few clicks. This robust editing capability gives you full control over your document's content. Managing your document structure is simple with the Organize Pages tool found on the right panel. Here, you can visually drag and drop pages to reorder them, delete unwanted pages, or even insert new ones from other files. If you have a very large document, you can quickly split it into several smaller, more manageable PDFs. Conversely, the Combine Files feature lets you merge multiple PDFs, images, or even Microsoft Word documents into one unified file. This flexibility is incredibly useful for creating comprehensive reports or presentations. Finally, sharing and securing your completed documents is straightforward. You can easily share your PDF via email directly from the application or generate a shareable link for collaborative review. Utilize the comprehensive comment tools to add sticky notes, highlight important text, or draw shapes for clear feedback from collaborators. For enhanced security, protect your document with a password, restricting access for viewing, printing, or editing to authorized individuals only. This ensures your information remains confidential and your collaborative process is smooth and controlled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.